Abavuga gavumenti batongoza akatabo akalimu ensonga eziwerako ze baagala okusaako omulaka naye nga ensonga enkulu ekwata ku ddembe ly'obuntu okulwanyisa enguzi n'ebirala.
And like I've said, 3 cardinal ones, among several others. We want to push back against corruption, expose it to the core, show Ugandans how much of their money is being stolen, from where and by who. We want to push back against poor service delivery. Ugandans pay taxes. They deserve services. And we'll push back against disregard for the rule of law and disrespect for human rights. Yes, we will.
Mu kutongoza akatabo kano ku Imperial Royal Hotel mu Kampala akulira oludda olw'olwa Government mu Parliament Ssenyonyi asabye bannayuganda okweyunga mu lutalo luno baleke kulondekera Parliament yokka era nti nga bo tebasobola kukikola bokka wabula baagala n'abantu bonna okulweyungamu.
And like we are saying, we want to rally Ugandans to join this fight. Let's not think that this is a fight for just members of Parliament. It's a fight for all of us. And as members of Parliament, we commit to do our job. We commit to push back. We commit to raise our voices regarding these issues. But we are calling on religious leaders. We are calling on civil society organizations, cultural leaders, opinion leaders, all of us as the people of Uganda. Parliament alone is not going to change our country. It will not. We also what happened with Temujja Kututiisatiisa.
Onera ayogeddeko ku kiwozo ky'okugyawo abantu okubeeyimirira oba okwewozaako nga bava bweru kiyite bail singa babeera n'emisango. Ono yeemulugunyiza ku bannakibiina kya NUP ne gye buli kati abakyammiddwa okweyimirirwa oba okuwezaako nga bava bweru ku misango egibavunaanibwa.
Also heard there's been a lot of talk that for certain offences bail should be scrapped. There's a cardinal principle of our Constitution, Article 28(3)(a). Any suspect is innocent until proved guilty or until they have conceded to that guilt. So how do you say that for particular offenses, this one, no, don't grant them bail because this is a serious offense? Because then you are adjudging them guilty before the courts of law do that. So again, we call on our colleagues in the NRM. This is not just for us in the opposition. Of course, they do it to target us. They will trump up all manner of charges, terrorism, treachery, and all of these different things, so that they can hold us forever without bail. But even you in the NRM, you will fall out with the regime tomorrow, and it will happen to you. So let's be sober. Let's use our heads.
Onera Aweze nga bwe batajja kujja bigere byabwe wansi ku nsonga z'abannayuganda bonna era nti bagenda maaso n'okwetegereza enzirukanya ya gavumenti.
And someone thinks they will frustrate our work. No, they will not. And what we did on that day, we said it's okay, now that the costers have been withdrawn, we will hire ordinary taxis so that we keep doing the work that we have got to do. And that's how we shall keep operating. No one will stand in the way of our mandate. No one. So, we might meet many more of such challenges because in keeping the government in check, we will do it, number one, in Parliament, on the floor of the House, and we shall be the voice of our people. And we shall speak all the English we have got to speak.
Yabadde akulira oludda olw'aba gavumenti mu Parliament nga kati Commissioner w'oludda oluvuganya gavumenti mu Parliament Mathias Mpuga Nsamba alina entanda gy'asibiridde abavuganya gavumenti.
Every government minister that appears for a budget, it's important for the people to ask them how many jobs are they going to create in a financial year. That's why I was shocked that for the last, I think, 4 years, government froze recruitment. But the economy is growing at an incremental rate. But they froze job creation. In other countries, if you can't create jobs, you are running a collapsed economy.
Mu lukuŋŋaana lwe lumu baminisita abavuganya gavumenti bakubye ebirayiro eby'obuweereza mu bifo bye babawadde.
Cabinet Minister. soul firm.
I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Uganda
As by law established, and that I will, to the best of my judgment at all times, when required, freely give my counsel and advise the leader of the opposition.
And his successors in office, as by law established, for the good management of the public affairs of the office of the leader of the opposition. And that I will not directly or indirectly reveal any matter as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties.
Committed to my secrecy, so help me God.
Is Chigongo Kura Channel 44 Oleguro.